Hey everyone, welcome back. I am here in sunny Rabat, Morocco. I'm super excited to tell you guys that this next 10 days I'm going to be spending my time here in Morocco, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm here in collaboration with the language school Sprachcaffe, and I'm super excited for them to teach me Arabic. That's why I'm here in Morocco, to learn Moroccan Arabic. Yes, you heard it right. I'm gonna learn my 9th language, and I'm so excited for it because I don't have any basis like in Arabic whatsoever. So this will really be a fresh start, like from zero. I really wanted to take you guys along to experience this with me, because like this you can see first hand how I study, how I learn languages, and you can basically like learn with me. I am here currently at my host family's house. I just arrived. It's Sunday afternoon. It's super sunny, nice weather. The host family is super nice. They have 2 little children, and the house is so like beautiful. They arranged everything for us. We had lunch, and it's just an amazing experience up until now. So I want to encourage you guys with these kind of vlogs to really go out and look for language classes. First time for me traveling was a language course I did in Spain, and that was basically me just doing like a 2-week intensive language course. And it's because this lady came in my class, and she basically talked about how you can take language classes every day and live with the host family and travel, like be in the country at the same time. And I was like, this is so cool, because I feel like still a lot of people don't know much about it. So I'm gonna show you everything about it, basically really detailed. That's why I didn't want this to be like a short like overall vlog, like here look I'm in Morocco. But I really wanted to take you guys to all the activities we're gonna be doing, and show you guys the classes we're gonna be doing, and to show you guys really how it works. Like I've done this before but in Spain, and this is a new experience here in Morocco, so I'm going to show you everything. So I'm excited for that. Yeah, so basically what this is just you can choose between a host family, or if you want to live like kind of like a student dorm type of arrangement, I'm not sure, but I chose to live with the host family. The first time I went to Spain, and that was the best experience ever, because you can, I think it defeats the purpose if you go and live on by yourself or with other students, because those students are not natives and they're not going to be like fluent in the language you want to learn. So I think the best way to really immerse yourself in the culture is by living with the family, actually like a host family, a native local host family, and that way you get to know local life, local culture, food, everything. We just had like super delicious local tagine dish, and like things like that, like little things from the culture. And I feel like, and as I tell you always, culture goes hand in hand with language. Once you get to know the culture more, and the people, the way things operate, the way things work in the country, you get a lot more like easier a feel to the language. So this is the best experience you can do. So, and by studying, by taking a language course, you can take like 1 week, 2 weeks, or like a month, like however long you want to. There are all levels, language level. This will be a beginner's course for me because I'm really new to this. But for Spanish, I had, for example, an advanced course, because I already had Spanish like for 2 years prior to going on that trip. But this helped me so much. Like I cannot stress this enough. Like after this trip, after I went to Spain, I was like ahead of everyone in my class, because I got to live in a country, and I learned so much vocabulary and things I heard, and I soaked up everything. And that's basically what happens when you live in the country and learn and study the language at the same time. So to wrap things up, yeah, stay tuned for everyday kind of like vlogs coming from me, and the activities we're going to do, the classes. I'm going to show you everything. And if you guys have comments and questions, just leave them down in the comment box below. And don't forget to also follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram you'll be live with me on everything I do. Like I do a lot of Insta stories, and you'll see live, like firsthand, what I do. So yeah, my Instagram, Miss Urban Eve. Okay, and yeah, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you.
But let's take a picture all together with Hussein, rival. Selfie. You can make a good selfie. You make good selfies?
I make it. I think.
Come on.
Alright, if you're taking photos, I'll take a photo.
مدام عيشة ادخلي. كنشكرك بزاف. الله العظيم. الغزال viens manger.
Il a déjà mangé lui.
عاد غادي دابا يتبان.
Allez, maintenant, place à l'élection.
Wow.
Je te ferme mon discours en premier. Si Martine n'y voit pas
Encore une deuxième fois.
aucun problème.
Aïe.
C'est des électeurs. Je suis tous les délégués. Je m'engage à ce qu'aucun jour ne ressemble à l'autre.
شوفي نص كامل صافي عاد خير.
Harmonie
We do it 3 times.
Ah, 3 times.
Because you need to mix the tea. That can give that real taste.
Yes.
هل الله يعطي بركة. نضرب صورة معاهم شي بحال هادشي الاخر تيسيبني. طوموبيل هذاك وانا كنقلب عليه انا. فكرتيني بقات حيدنا انا. بقاش فكرت وراه واخا والحياة اللي بقاو دايرين فيه واحد لي برودوي.
Alors, easy. On va te faire sortir de là, Martine. Dépêchez-vous! Dans le grenier avec un rat.
That wasn't too bad, was it?
No.
I wish.
Alright, before I leave, I'm just gonna show you guys the house because it's absolutely beautiful. Like how the host family prepared everything for us. We're 2 bloggers here and there are other 2 bloggers but they're staying elsewhere, and it's so nice. The host family from Sprachcaffe is like absolutely amazing. They're taking so much care of us. So right now we're standing and the terrace is super nice and big. This is it. This is like the saloon. It's super big. Basically there's like an area, basically there's like a downstairs area which is like their apartment, and this upstairs area is like completely for us. So there's a room right there, and then like a little kitchen. Like this is basically our apartment up here. So there's a bathroom, and then this is like my room. So nice. And we already, we had lunch. Like I said, it was so delicious. We had the best tea, which is Moroccan tea. I love it so much. And right now, we just arrived, so we're gonna like relax a bit and then really start the classes tomorrow. So that's it for today. So right now I'm really gonna wrap it up, okay? And I'll see you guys then tomorrow. Bye bye.